Making money with GetResponse is possible, and in this video, I'll show you how you can turn this powerful marketing software into a revenue-generating tool. If you're looking for a quick and effective way to make money using GetResponse, keep watching because I'll walk you through some real strategies that you can implement today, and I'll also reveal a competitor at the end that might work better for your needs. Now, let's dive into the first way you can use GetResponse to make money. The first thing you should know is that GetResponse is primarily known for its email marketing features. By building an email list, you can start promoting your products, affiliate offers, or services to a targeted group. This is where GetResponse really shines. Their email automation tools make it easy to set up a sequence that nurtures leads, keeps them engaged, and eventually drives sales. Next thing, GetResponse allows you to create landing pages. These are essential for converting visitors into customers, especially if you're running paid ads. With their drag-and-drop builder, you can quickly create beautiful and effective landing pages that are optimized for conversions. Combine this with the email marketing features, and you've got a system that can automatically send visitors into a sales funnel that works for you 24/7. The third thing, GetResponse offers an affiliate program. This is a great way to make passive income by simply promoting the software. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media presence, you can share your affiliate link with your audience. GetResponse offers competitive commissions, which can add up quickly if you're able to drive traffic to their platform. Another feature of GetResponse that can help you make money is their webinar platform. Webinars are a fantastic way to showcase products, teach, or provide value to an audience while promoting your offerings. You can host paid webinars or use free webinars as a lead magnet to convert your audience into paying customers. GetResponse's webinar tools make it easy to set up, promote, and manage. The fifth thing is that GetResponse can also help you build a complete sales funnel. By using their CRM and automation tools, you can create a seamless process where you attract leads, nurture them, and convert them into paying customers. This is especially useful for anyone looking to scale their business, as GetResponse makes it easy to automate so many aspects of your sales process. Now, while GetResponse is a solid tool, it's not the best solution for everyone. If your goal is to focus more on conversions, better sales automation, and integrations with more advanced tools, you might want to consider alternatives that could better suit your needs. The good news is that I've got you covered, and I'll show you some of those alternatives in just a second. But before I do, I want to share something special. You can get an exclusive extended free trial for GetResponse through the link in the description, and this offer isn't available to everyone. But as promised, I've also found some fantastic alternatives to GetResponse, some that might actually outperform it depending on your business goals. Check out the link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive benefits. These alternatives are going to be even better suited for making money online, and they also offer free trials to test out their features before making a commitment. So, in summary, GetResponse can help you make money through email marketing, landing pages, webinars, affiliate programs, and more. But if you want to explore better options, I've got the perfect alternatives lined up for you. Don't forget to check out the link for those exclusive benefits and trial offers.